Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate on Binance vote to Delist batch 2. In previous video I told you guys about vote to list batch 2. Now it's vote to Delist batch 2. It's very easy and simple. First you can open your Binance apps and go to vote tab here. You can click it. And then as you can see there is vote to Delist, and if you want to vote you can vote up to 5 projects, and then you have to hold at least 0.01 BNB to eligible to participate. And for vote period it's from 10 April until 16 April. So yeah, and as you can see there are the tokens or coin. You can vote up to 5 projects. I will vote random because I don't know anything about these projects. So yeah, like this. I'm sorry guys. And I can just click confirm and you can click vote. Okay, it's done. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.